Are you a person who constantly thinks about not going to a social event because you prefer solitude instead of going, but then you still end up going to that event? Then this video is for you. Do you know the reason why you're saying yes to the social event and you really don't want to be there for XYZ reason, but you still end up going, and then you get drained out, and then you come back home and you're like, what the fuck did I just do? Why did I go to this event? It was crazy. The traffic was crazy. Still, you still go into the event and you just don't know why you end up saying yes. You can't say no. The problem that you have, my friend, is that you may come across as a people pleaser, and most of us, we know that when people keep saying yes to things and they don't want to say no to the other person for whatever reason, is because they do not know how to say yes to themselves. And you need to learn how to check in with yourself whenever you get an invitation. So the next time you get an invitation, here is what I recommend you to do. I recommend you to sit down with yourself and just check the invitation. Let's say it's a text which you got from a friend. Check in with yourself. How am I feeling? How am I feeling as I'm going to this event? Or how am I feeling right now as I got this event? Am I stressed about it? Am I anxious? Am I very happy that I got this invitation? Check in with yourself. If any of those feelings come across as not good feelings, and I'm talking about feeling stressed, feeling anxious, you know how it feels when you don't feel good about something. Take a pause and tell the other person that, hey, I'm sorry, I don't feel like going to this event, or I'm sorry, I cannot come to this event because I have another agenda, whatever. If this is how you're feeling, you need to speak your truth, because that is the next step that you need to learn, and it's gonna take some practice. So make sure that you practice this. So anytime you get an invitation from a friend or maybe your boyfriend saying, hey, come hang out and let's have fun together, or let's go to this party and all my boys are gonna be there, but you don't want to go to that event, just say, I'm sorry, I'd rather stay home because I had a hard day or a hard week and I need to decompress. Whatever is your answer, you need to express it to the other person. And I challenge you to do this just once for your next event that you do not want to go. If you do this once and you feel good after you do it, you'll feel like, wow, I just got my power back. So you'll feel a sense of power within you. And trust me, over time, it will become a habit and you will learn how to set soulful boundaries. So if you like this video, then please follow for more or share it with anyone that you think really needs to hear this. Follow for more.